How to accept crypto payments on Shopify. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a quick tutorial on how to accept crypto payments on your Shopify. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is you guys will open up your Shopify store and you will land right here. This is our main admin. Today I'll show you how to accept crypto payments such as Bitcoin, Dogecoin, Litecoin on your Shopify. So you can actually accept crypto for your business. If you're selling products, you can actually get crypto in return. So that's actually really cool. And we get that feature on Shopify. How to accept crypto? You will go to your settings on Shopify and then you have to go to your payments. In payment section, we have different options available. We have payment providers, supported payment method, and manual payment method. To add and accept crypto, you will simply go to the supported payment method. So it will take you right here and we can search for any of the payment method we want. Let me show you. You can see we have Visa card, MasterCard that we can accept. We have PaySafe, Discover, Union Pay, Ideal. Then we have Klarna, Zazzle, and then you can see right here Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, USDC, DAI, Dogecoin, and other. These are all crypto options. I'm gonna select these. Let's say I want to add Ethereum, Litecoin. Then I also want to accept Bitcoin. Let's add all of the crypto, USDC, and I'm also gonna add Dogecoin. So these are my payment methods. Now we are getting one of the payment providers for all of these different crypto options. We have Coinbase Commerce, transaction fee 0%. So we are getting all of the crypto options in this one. We need to activate it. Click on activate and it'll take you right here. You can see Coinbase Commerce and we will be able to accept crypto through this, all of the information. Click on manage and you need to create an account on Coinbase Commerce now. So it'll take you to the website. All right, so we just need to log into our Coinbase Commerce. You can also sign up if you want. To sign up, you have to enter your email address, set up a password, and then your account will be created. Connect your Coinbase Commerce to your Shopify and you will be able to accept crypto payments. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to Software Made Easy.